Hi, Waylon. Hi. This is what I look like when I had the hiccup. Oh, you got the hiccup, honey. Huh? Say hi to everyone. Did Mama have to get rid of those hiccups and then do this, huh? Oh, my love. Yeah, see? I've got hair on the top of my head. And I'm losing some on the side of my head. Huh. She did what Mommy dressed me as today. I look pretty sharp, huh, Waylon? You look pretty sharp. Say, today I am 5 weeks old. Goodness, goodness. You're growing so quickly. Huh? Yeah? Probably not going to give me a smile because you got the hiccups, huh? Say hi, everyone. I don't like the hiccup. I'm going to start to get mad. Oh, all right. I've got to get rid of the hiccup. Do we say hi? We say hi to everyone, huh? Say bye-bye.